Hi, welcome to my another video today. I will help you choose the 4 best wide format sublimation printer on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches, and I am trying to list those based on price, quality, and more. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting number 1, Epson EcoTank 15000. Epson EcoTank 15000, a beast of a sublimation printer with a built-in 250 paper tray, 2-minute max speed of 2 inches on a 19-inch wider paper, and a Wi-Fi direct connectivity. It's half of the poundage of an average workforce printer while being a wider format printer. With voice-activated, Wi-Fi direct and Ethernet, it solves the connectivity issues that the previous Epson inkjet models struggled with. Plus, there's a 2.7 touchscreen with which you can navigate this machine. Epson has further simplified the conversion method by introducing ink bottles instead of cartridges, so you can just pour the ink directly in the printer's head without wasting the product. There's one extra ink storage capacity, so none of the colors go wasted at all. The color density, because of the 4800 by 1200, gives your prints an edge to sell your items at a higher price point. Other than printing, it further shares your office's scanning and faxing workload, despite being a converted model. There are 15,000 reasons to buy EcoTank 15000, one of which is, it's the easiest yet heavy-duty commercial sublimation printer. Enormous paper capacity paired with a fast speed and 4800 by 1200 resolution rightly makes it the best wide format printer for sublimation. At number 2, Epson EcoTank Photo ET8500. ET8500 originally came as a photo printer dedicated to die cards, CD, and DVDs. However, sublimation conversion goes well with it, making it trending in the sublimation arena for its cutting-edge photo-quality sublimation transfers in 6 ink bottles. Well, it's a level-headed model of the EcoTank 15000 that goes beyond a cartridge-free printing relief to a resolution upgrade from 4800x1200 to 5760x 1440 dpi, 2 pounds reduced weight, and an increase in the color shades. And the fun fact is, they both come at the same price. However, the deficiency is the media size. Since it's not a wide format printer, it only goes at a maximum of 8.5x11. However, a bypass tray may increase it on a later use. A full-color touch panel display, which makes it easy and convenient to maneuver the printer. The added plus is designing software that allows editing, cropping, and enhancing the colors. And did you know it's the fastest convertible photo printer for sublimation? Well, it can print one max size taking just 30 seconds, which just another feature adding tons of value to it. Weighing just 24 pounds at close-packed dimensions of 20.5x 17.3x 9.8, you can easily store it at a contracted workspace. Plus, it's friendly with higher temperatures, so ventilation isn't that big of an issue here. Due to its low maintenance and portability, we'd recommend that for home and small-scale businesses. Its printing volume can average from 50 to 60 prints per day, which is a hefty quantity to cover dozens of coffee mugs. At $100 you can go for its sequel, 8550, and achieve the media size up to 13 by 19. However, it comes with doubled weight and greater dimension. Therefore, it's better to stick to this one and upgrade with a bypass tray. If you're looking for a budget-friendly sublimation printer for vast designs without even a minimal effect on the quality, then the ET8500 is what to go for. It's a well-rounded unit providing the sharpest resolution, comprehensible features, and a reliable volume to make a good sum. At number 3, Sawgrass Virtuoso SG1000. With the Sawgrass Virtuoso's SG1000, you can give a head start to your business with the improved printer design and better printing outputs. Although this printer already comes in an 11-inch by 19-inch large format, it can still entertain pages up to 51-inch with a bypass tray. What amazed us about the printer is its automatic maintenance cycle that keeps troubleshooting malfunctions and programming errors of the printer. This feature, above all, is highly valuable considering the tax of printing devices and, of course, laziest to maintain such a large format die sub printer. On its launch, the expert color management software shook the industry. It solves the color visibility and vibrancy issues that over 60% of artists fail, because sublimation inks have different color profiles. The monitor follows different, while the heat press further alters the colors, making you receive something you can't recognize ever. Currently, Print Manager is the only sublimation color correction software offered by Sawgrass. In addition, the trays work smoothly with no glitches and papers getting stuck. Compared to its predecessor, SG800, it works for extended hours without jams at an economical energy consumption. Well, one more thing, it also uses the least energy and produces the best outputs. Taking that into account, the speed of the printer isn't as robust as the above-reviewed ones, and that is, so far, the only drawback associated with the printer. If consistency and versatility are what you're looking for, then you can't have a better printer than the Sawgrass Virtuoso SG100. It comes with an improvised design for both inside and out. With sound high resolution and excellent interface, it provides revolutionary tech programs which take sublimation to the next level. You probably cannot ask more from a printer for sublimation. At number 4, Workforce WF7710. WF7710 is the most expensive one among all three and likewise, comes with the most perks. Whether it's navigating, document feeding, running features, variations in printing, it has it all. With the LCD, you won't be having issues with navigating and managing your print while interchanging between t-shirt, mug, and tumbler prints in different sizes and shapes. Other than that, it prints borderless, which gives this printer an extra edge. It provides several workflow profiles to be connected with it: iOS, Android, email print, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, etc. While you may have connection issues with the USB port. Other than connectivity, it colors out the paper, taking just a minute with the prints drying up rapidly and neatly. Overall, it's the most robust printer in the Workforce lineup with the most classical features to complement your sublimation firms. However, it's discontinued, so make sure you get yours before the stock ends.
So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.